I allow more good into my life. Blessed are they that have not seen and yet have believed. John 20:29. There is one ultimate thinker, yet this thinker thinks through all of us. This is why our thoughts are creative. The universal mind is incarnated in everyone. Every person has access to it. Every person uses it, either in ignorance or in conscious knowledge. The mind of each one of us is the mind of God functioning at the level of our perception of life. Consciously using it, we bring into our experience today something we did not appear to have yesterday. A better environment, a happier circumstance, more love, more joy. In such degree as I know that the God in you is the God that is in me, I cannot seek to do you ill. It would be unthinkable, because all that I could do would be to hurt myself. When all of the nations of the world see God incarnated in one another, then we will no longer have use for weapons. We must stop believing that God is somewhere apart from us or somewhere apart from the person or situation that is still in bondage of some kind. We must not be disturbed by the contradiction of objective experience. Rather, we need to know that the truth of God's ever-present activity in our life is superior to the condition that we want to have changed. I sense the eternal presence within me, discarding any thoughts and attitudes that limit my inner awareness of this presence. I accept the one life as my life and see all around me the expression of love, peace, and harmony. I rejoice in the wondrous gifts of an unlimited universe.